Hello there, this is Esther from Aurorashine. I'm currently taking part in Sara Turner's Empowered Healer course, and I just wanted to tell you a little bit about that today. I've gone through the Flower Essence Diploma, which was wonderful. Then I moved on to Create a Magical Business and loved my time on there, but I had a feeling that I needed to just take that further step up and basically get my big girl pants on, and I decided that Empowered Healer was definitely going to be the next step for me. So I had a chat with Sara about it and I started the course, and since I began things have changed so much. Every step I've taken so far has improved my business. I had pretty much no clients at the very beginning of everything, but sort of by the end of Create a Magical Business I was starting to pull more aligned clients through. But I needed to step up further and create bigger packages and be ready to offer a bit more. And I was still having issues with finances and worried about charging and what would people think if I did. And all of this was going through my head. But being on the Empowered Healer course, my money blocks have cleared so much now. I realised that to provide the service that I provide, I need to be able to work my business full time. I don't really need to have another part-time job alongside it, because trying to balance my energy is too difficult between the two. So this is what I'm working towards now. And the people that I'm bringing through are aligned and they're happy to pay the bigger prices, and they know that my work is heart aligned, it's coming from here, and I'm here to support them, I'm here to help them. I used to work very much with modalities and Reiki, crystal healing, but I don't want to just be working to modalities anymore. I want to just create packages for people, and that's what I'm doing, and it's working. It's taking me much further forward, and it's putting my business where I want it to be. Being on the Empowered Healer course has changed me, and it's changed my business for the absolute greater good. We just had a weekend in Bordeaux, and it was so much has shifted this weekend. It really has, and I'm ready to step up again now. And my next step up for myself is to enter my second year of Empowered Healer. That's how much I've loved the first year, and I know there's still so much bigger work to do. Something has dropped in the last couple of days for me, and there's a package that I want to create, and it's going to be far bigger, it's going to be a lot more work, but I know I've got the support of my fellow Empowered Healers and Sara, and that support is so key to what we do. We're all here for a reason. We all have our different healing businesses, and people out there need us. They really do. And there's so many people that need healing now. The world needs healing, and we're here to support that healing of the whole planet. It's a ripple effect. As we help one person to raise their vibration, that goes out to the next person, the next person, the next person. So it's big work that we're doing, and we need the support whilst we do it. So I would highly recommend the Empowered Healer. You won't regret that conversation with Sara.